is a US Reels Supercaster 230 SX. This is a very interesting reel, both internally. I was not familiar with it. It's very interesting internally and externally. So it has very high precision internal parts, very small format. Look at how thin the body is. And then it's got this very large spool, which has quite a capacity to it. Let me just read the numbers here. 14 pound, most people are maybe more familiar with 12 pound, 200 yards of 12 pound. And the last user had braid on it, so you can obviously squeeze quite a bit more on. Absolutely gorgeous reel. And US Reels evidently is known for this design with the large capacity spool.